Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? Today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. So I got my box, I believe, a couple of days ago. I want to go ahead and show you guys what first what BoxyCharm is. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription where you get 5 full-size items for only $21 or $22 every month. Now, for this box, this is the box for August. I did get it in the mail, and I have it for like 3 days ago, so I haven't been able to do the video. Today's the day that I'm able to do the video, so let's go ahead and show you guys what the box is and what is it about today. So it says totally BoxyCharm. This is what the pamphlet looked like. I do have 5 items. So this is where everything comes out, wherever the details and all on the stuff that I got. So let's go ahead and get started with this little box that I see here that caught my attention. This is a Lashaholics Luxury Lashes. Okay, elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. Give your lash dimension, natural looking length and volume. So this retails for $14.99. This is what the box looks like. Now, I'm not a big fan on these lashes just because I like full-on lashes. Like, I like you know, like some motherfucking, like, you know, kaboom bitch. Like kaboom bitch, like this. This is what I like. This is my brand of lash. So this is the styles that I like to use, and I like big lashes. But the lash that I did get was this one. It is a small pretty lash. It is more of a natural lash, like it did tell me there. It's really cute and all, the packaging and all, nice cute box. Ready, set, get addicted. So this is not really my cup of tea. I will be giving these away to my sister-in-law. I told her I was going to give them to her, so I'm going to give these to you, Rosa. So that retails for $14.99 from the box. So now the next item I do see here, it is this. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter up to 16 hours. Now this retails for $23, but this is what it looks like. I have not tried it yet. I'm excited to try this. I have so many mascaras I have to go through first. I've got a lot from BoxyCharm that I want to get rid of and, you know, finish up before I use this one. But it looks great on the picture or whatever. Okay, so that's that, and that one does retail for $23. The next item that I'm super excited about, it is this little baby here. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Refreshing Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formula with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation of skin. Mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So this is what this looks like, and this retails for $39. I'm freaking excited about this. I want to try this. I have not tried it, so that's what that looks like. So now the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this. This is the Pure and Barbie Glitteral Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is what I got. No, I've been looking at other girls' BoxyCharms. My sister-in-law did get the other one with the 2 shadows and the lip liner, but I didn't get that one. I got this one. I feel like I'm really happy with what I got, even though I might not use this. But this is the brightening face mask, and that retails for $26. And last but not least, I have this. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It looks like this. And this Okay, there. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you are. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. This retails for $42. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. This retails for $42. Fuck. So that's it. That's all I got for my BoxyCharm, guys. I hope you guys did like this video. Excuse my hand. I was doing makeup, so I kind of got dirty. I freaking love this. This is so cute. Okay, so that's about it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying here. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hi, my name is Diana. Welcome to the Fam Bam. So yeah, go ahead and comment. Let me know what y'all think. And go ahead and subscribe first and then comment all y'all want. I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.